Time for your morning briefing of junior mining and mineral exploration news. You are tuned in to Mining Stock Daily. Now, reporting from the Clear Creek Digital Studios in Denver, Colorado, here's your host, Trevor Hall.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome into Mining Stock Daily. It's Tuesday, March 30th. Gold and silver were both pummeled yesterday, starting right after midnight, as the precious metals price management team took full advantage of India's absence from the physical gold market, with most of the country closed Monday to observe a religious festival. Mysteriously, both gold and silver were pushed off the cliff right at the NYSE Open, with $22 erased from the gold price and 45 cents subtracted from the price of silver. With April 1st notice delivery period commencing today after the COMEX closes, officially first notice starts tomorrow, but notices can go out this evening. The Mining Stock Journal is 99% certain that Monday's price activity was a blatant effort by the COMEX banks to coerce hedge funds and other money managers to either sell their long gold position outright or roll forward to April. This fire drill occurs each time the front month contract approaches first notice and enables the banks to avoid the risk of having to deliver more physical metal than is available to be delivered. Despite the sell-off in gold and silver, the large-cap mining stocks managed to rally from a sharp early sell-off, as specifically some gold miners managed to close green, as evidenced by the 0.5% rise in the Amex Gold Bugs Index. We'll get to the news out of the miners and explorers here in just a moment, but first a mention of today's sponsor.
This Mining Stock Daily Morning Briefing is brought to you by Integra Resources. Integra Resources is advancing the past-producing Delamar project in southwestern Idaho. The company has continued to demonstrate resource growth and conversion through greenfield and brownfield exploration and plans on delivering a pre-feasibility study in Q4 2021 to further de-risk and advance the project towards permitting. Integra Resources trades on the TSXV under ITR and the NYSE American under ITRG.
All right, and here's what you need to know this morning. Aurelius Minerals shared new assay results from 3 additional holes at its Aureus West gold project located in Nova Scotia. All holes intersected significant gold mineralization near surface, and new gold horizons were identified to a depth of just over 400 meters below surface. The drilling identified mineralization both above and well below the existing inferred mineral resource, which extends to a depth of approximately 150 meters. Results included 32.2 meters grading 2.85 grams per ton gold and 20.3 meters grading 3.93 grams per ton gold. The Aureus West project contains an inferred mineral resource of 269,000 tons grading 6.1 grams per ton for a total of 53,200 ounces of gold. Aurelius trades on the TSX Venture with AUL and on the OTCQB with AURQF. Visa Silver provided results from 16 new holes at the Tajitos vein zone at the Panuco Silver Gold Project in Mexico. Results included 2,210 grams per ton silver equivalent over 2.5 meters, 752 grams per ton silver equivalent over 7.94 meters, and 2,063 grams per ton silver equivalent over 1.44 meters. These holes expand the length of Tajitos to over 525 meters, and the company continues to expand the zone of mineralization, with an additional 9 holes completed which are awaiting assay. The mineralization is open in each direction along strike and at depth, and the company continues to step out on approximately 50 meter centers to define the full extent of the zone. Visa trades on the TSX Venture with VZLA and on the OTCQB with VIZSF. Fiore Gold reported additional results from the resource expansion and exploration drilling program at its Gold Rock project in Nevada. The results show a new discovery of oxide gold mineralization at Jasperoid Creek, approximately 1.5 kilometers north of the current Gold Rock preliminary economic assessment pits. Results from that discovery were 18.3 meters of 0.96 grams per ton gold. Other results included 30.5 meters of 0.79 grams per ton gold and 45.7 meters of just over 2 grams per ton gold. Mineralization remains open, particularly to the north, supporting the company's belief that gold rock will continue to grow beyond the scope of the projected outline in the most recent PEA. Fiore trades on the TSX Venture with F and on the OTCQB with FIOGF. Galway Metals were also out with new drill results today. This comes from the northern veins of the George Murphy Zone and from the nearby Adrian Zones at the Clarence Stream Gold Project in southwest New Brunswick. Results included 64.6 grams per ton gold over a half meter within a broader 15.5 meter intersection grading 3 grams per ton gold. Other results included 9 grams per ton over 7.4 meters and 3 grams per ton over 30.5 meters. The new northern GMZ's veins and Adrian Zone discoveries continue to expand and are open in every direction. All zones at Clarence Stream remain open for expansion in all directions. The Adrian Zone now looks to be 450 meters in strike length, which represents a substantial increase from the 102 meters before the current drill results connected it with the GMZ North veins. Galway Metals trades on the TSX Venture with GWM. Fury Gold Mines announced results from 3 additional exploration drill holes targeting the 550 to 660 meter extension from the known resource at the Auclair deposit located in the EU-Itchg territory of James Bay region of Quebec. Results included 1 meter of 15.3 grams per ton gold, 1.5 meters of 8.8 grams per ton gold, and 3 meters of 2.59 grams per ton gold. The company says collectively these holes have significantly expanded the deposit footprint at Auclair. Fury Gold Mines trades on the TSX and the NYSE with FURY. Uranium Royalty Corp has exercised its option to acquire just under 350,000 pounds of U3O8 pursuant to its existing strategic arrangements with Yellowcake at a price of $28.73 per pound. That's in US. The company expects to complete the acquisition and take delivery of the U3O8 on or before April 30th. The acquisition is being completed pursuant to the option granted to the company in connection with its 2018 IPO investment into Yellowcake. Pursuant to the option, the company may acquire between $2.5 million and $10 million of U3O8 per year from Yellowcake between January 1st of 2019 and January 1st of 2028, and up to a maximum aggregate amount of $31 million worth of U3O8. Yellowcake is a listed uranium holding company that purchases U3O8 through the spot market and a long-term supply agreement with National Atomic Company Kazatomprom. All right, that's it this morning here on the news briefing. Just to let you know, this will be the last news briefing of the week. My kids are on spring break, and we're going to take a little trip, so just not going to do the news briefing, but we do have a couple updates to share with you throughout the week, so do stay tuned for that and have a wonderful rest of your week. Mining Stock Daily is distributed over a dozen different networks throughout the world and in proud partnership with the Junior Mining Network. It is produced by Clear Creek Digital and Investment Research Dynamics Mining Stock Journal. I'm Trevor Hall. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Be well. Mining Stock Daily and its affiliates are not responsible for any loss arising from any investment decision in connection with the material presented herein. Please do your own research or speak with a licensed financial representative before making any investment decision.